Hey guys, happy Wednesday, happy hump day. Um, so I don't know what to do with this big house I looked at yesterday. If you didn't see yesterday's video, check it out. I have no idea what to do. Uh, so for the downstairs, it's kind of a no-brainer. I think I'm going to do a 5-zone ductless. I can get wall units to every room down there. There's one small room that I probably won't. Because it'll make it 6 zones. I don't know. I might split. I might split the two. Sorry, I was just eating something. I might split the two sides of the house up, 4 zones, 4 zones. That way I can get the 8 zones I want to get in this big house. I just don't know if it makes sense. You know, like I said, they have multiple systems in there already. They have 2 furnaces and 2 ACs, and then some jerk, some guy that shouldn't be doing HVAC, stuck a rooftop unit on this flat roof and ducted it in upstairs. I mean, I understand that upstairs was probably boiling, so they put that heat pump up there. But man, oh man, and it's just a 13 SEER package unit. It's crazy. I'd love to just yank all that out, which I think is what I'm going to recommend, and we're just going to put a new Mitsubishi Hyperheat or the Bosch ductless system in there, because the Bosch, you don't need to have those branch boxes. You can get your your max performance with, i.e. Hyperheat out of those systems without doing a branch box. They have the individual ports on the heat pump. Sorry, I'm full. I just ate lunch. So anyway, I'd like to know your guys' thoughts. I want you to watch that video from yesterday and let me know what your thoughts are, what you would do. I think I did a pretty good job of conveying what they have in there. So just kind of assume that you were there, what your ideas would be. So I would appreciate that. Today I just went out to that remodel job, did a few things. They're really not ready for me. I'll have the electrician there tomorrow. I had some parts missing. I screwed up and I got the wrong zone panels, but I can pull those off and use them somewhere else. Not a big deal. But I'll be back there tomorrow to be more productive. Anyway, enjoy today's video, and first and foremost, please give me some feedback on what you think I should do on that big house I looked at yesterday. Just check out yesterday's video. It's all there. And if you got any questions, let me know. All right, guys. Enjoy today's video. Good morning, guys. Seton HVAC here. It is Wednesday, October 23rd, 2024. T-minus 8 days from Halloween. T-minus 9 days away from a road trip to Reno and Las Vegas. It's a long drive, but it's a fun drive, and the destination makes it all worth it. So, talked about it a little bit yesterday. So I'm headed out to this big remodel job. So I was a dummy, and I should know better. I ordered up a couple zone panels for this job. Honeywell zone panels, which I'm very familiar with. But you know how sometimes your brain just doesn't work? That's yours truly, more often than not. I just, I used to talk about how I rarely make mistakes. Well, they've been making mistakes lately. And I think my mind's just elsewhere. And I don't know how to change it. I gotta get refocused here as we head into the winter, and that was my goal all along. Was to really start kicking butt here next month. So once this last vacation's over, I don't have anything. I know we have the holidays and whatnot, but I don't have anything where I got to leave and take off out of town. But what I did was I ordered up the HZ322 panels. Okay, these are 2-stage heat pumps with 1 stage of backup electric heat. 322s will not do that. some reason I was looking at the 3 and I was thinking 3-stage, but there's three zones, 2 heat, 2 cool. I need the 432s. 4 zones, up to 4 zones, 3 heat, 2 cool. I should have known it. I mean, I put whatever. So I gotta get two HC 432s for this job. In the meantime, I just have them run on emergency heat to keep the place warm, and we'll go from there. So today I'm gonna probably braze in that other heat pump, get it set, just keep plugging away at it. I don't know how much I'm gonna do. This guy's got his emergency lights on here in front of me. I don't know what his deal is. Maybe he's got a donut on or something. He's gonna let me by. But we're gonna get done what we can. You know, I just gotta get this done before. I don't know what this. Oh, he does have a donut on. Okay. I don't know why he chose to stop right there. He didn't. He could. I would have sat behind him until he found a road to turn off to. Whatever. So yeah, we're gonna keep plugging away. I just want to get this done before the Vegas trip, before Halloween, and we'll be good to go. So I'll see you guys out there. I'll try to get some shots of whatever the heck I do today. Alright guys, I got my other unit unboxed here and set, but I can't do anything with this because he wants to build a little hood over this first. He wants to do it before I braze this in. So basically today what I'm going to do is gather up the stuff I need. I got easy traps coming tomorrow. I got my float switches coming for stock, so I'll have those for all the drains and everything. I got those panels reordered, ozone panels ordered. I'll have those tomorrow. I'm gonna head to Home Depot and get that fitting I need for the ERV. Just kind of make sure that tomorrow when the electrician's here I can really pound away at this. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll show you what I get for that. Alright, so this is why I'm not a huge fan of new construction jobs, big remodel jobs like this when you got multiple trades. And you know, it's not like I could have been in and out of there because I don't have any electricity. So he'll be here tomorrow. But what happened was I want to go start working on that upstairs unit because I can't brace that heat pump in yet. And the tile guys are laying tile right there, so it's not like I can walk back and forth across there, you know, to get in there. So, you know, I can't bouncing around I hate bouncing around on a big job like this and having a bunch of unfinished things. So what I'm gonna do today, you know, I got all that other stuff ordered up, so I'll be rocking and rolling tomorrow. I'm going to go to Home Depot here and get the little knickknacks, like the little drain piece I'm missing on that ERV. I do not know why it wasn't in there. And get some PVC fittings and stuff I need, just so tomorrow when I come, I'm not dinking around. And hopefully those tile guys will have their tile set and have it where he can walk on it. That's all we can hope for, right? So, yep, another beautiful day. At least I was productive yesterday. I got a lot done yesterday plus, oh, that's another thing too, is I want to get back and I want to get that proposal out for that big job, and I'm going to brainstorm that some more and what I should do about that upstairs. I have enough information. You know, I think what we're going to do is probably just get a game plan for the downstairs at that house and give them a nice ductless system for downstairs for all the bedrooms, because you know it's people go there for skiing season, so it needs to be warm in those bedrooms when they're going to bed, and they also go there for summertime fun too. So you know, nobody likes to sleep in a hot bedroom. So we'll get the bedrooms all taken care of, and then I'll try to see what I can do about repairing that rooftop for upstairs, and see if I can maybe do some duct fixes on it and get it going, so that way they can rent the place out, because right now they're not able to because it just doesn't stay comfortable in there. I'm assuming the last few people have bitched and moaned about sorry, that was the homeowner at the house right there. Bitched and moaned about the temperature. So they would, you know, they they're not getting it booked. Probably people that have stayed there before, who knows. But anyway, I'm heading to Home Depot and I'll be back. All right, guys, let me show you what I got for this ERV, and I'm doing this off of memory. I should have measured it, but this is a 1/2 inch threaded NPT plastic to barbed. I got the tubing that'll fit with it. I can just tuck that inside of some 3/4 PVC. I got my lock ring for that to secure it onto the ERV. I got a little bit of plumber's putty. I couldn't find little rubber gaskets at Home Depot, so I'll just make a little a little bead of that and run it around the perimeter. That'll work just fine. If it works for kitchen sinks, it should work for this, right? So I'm gonna head back to the job and work a little bit. I need to talk to the homeowner. I thought he was gone today, but I passed him on my way here, so I'm gonna go say hello. All right, guys, we've been messing around up top on my other heat pump. He's gonna get that hood put over the top so it's waterproof. So I had to braze on a couple stub outs. There's people everywhere, so I didn't get any video. But I went and got these fittings I showed you, and of course it's too big. But I'm just gonna take my my drill at the unibit, and I'll just drill it out a little bit, and it'll be fine. And let's see what it looks like when I'm done. See if it looks like crap. Alright, so I got it drilled out. Should work out fine. I'll run a bead of that plumber's putty there, and then I'll put my lock ring down there, and she'll be good as factory. I'm happy. I'm just doing things that I can get done that are unknowns. Everything else is unknown. I'm just waiting on my parts, because I ordered those wrong zone panels. So. Joe Shearer, eat your heart out, buddy. There we go. I'm happy. I can go fart around some more. She's in there. Nothing too exciting, guys, but this is going to tie into there. Now, the homeowner did his own plumbing. He kind of screwed up, guys. I don't know if you see what he did there. Relief into his drain, into PVC pipe. We all know that's not right, but he's not going to fix it now. Not on his other one either, so. Yeehaw! I didn't do it. Not my problem. Okay, guys, you missed a bunch. I'm wheeling on out of here. I was gonna get that heat pump piped in, and the hoods that we purchased aren't gonna work. The customer wants a good hole, penetration with a cover where those lines come out, and I don't blame him. So we're gonna build some out of. They're going to build some out of wood. So, and we were talking about, electrician being here tomorrow, what's done. I just can't be productive out here, so I'm gonna head back home, and I'm going to work on that proposal and see if I can get that job sold down there in Sun River, the one I was at yesterday, looking at that big mansion, the hacked up mansion, and get it fixed up nice for him. And I know what some guys are thinking, Joe Shearer included. Probably, it's too much work for me to do that. But, what I'll do is I'll probably just stay down at the resort down there, factor it into my bed, stay down for a couple nights, although I hate working out of town these days, and stay down there and just bust it out, get it done. There's nobody there currently. It's I think they're kind of using it as a rental, like Airbnb or whatever for skiers and stuff. So, I'll go down there and I'll just bust it out, Heck, I can drink beer too while I'm working. That'd be cool, and just crash there. I'll work something out. Maybe I won't stay at the resort. Maybe I will just stay at that house if it's vacant. I mean, I'm sure they wouldn't mind. So that's what I'm gonna go work on the rest of the day. I got a couple of invoices I need to get out on some service calls I did, and enjoy the rest of my day. I'll see you guys back out at that job tomorrow I was at today, the remodel. And be productive tomorrow, I promise. See you later.